Welcome back to Funky D Star TV News Time. Yes, after the impostor when they for Aso Rock run enter London, according to wetin dem tell us say their Buhari don go London today. Now so Oduduwa Republic take unveil their security force for Oduduwa Republic. Remember, say the people from the eastern region, when the IPOB, heavily led by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has already unveiled their own security outfit. Not be news again. See, Biafran people get a new security outfit what they call ESN, Eastern Security Network. Nke na-ewe ndị amị iwe, nke na-ewe ndị polisi iwe, ma ọsọkwa ndị owende. That one where they kill army and the Nigerian police people say, our Islamization agenda don't fail. That one where they kill Aso Rock people say their Islamization agenda don't fuck up. That be the Eastern Security Network. Nka na-ewe Aso Rock iwe. Ma na asọkwa ndị owende na him be this one. So as Nnamdi Kanu don roll out now. Una go see say now Sunday Igboho and his group, including Akintoye, when don blast the Ohaneze Ndigbo, why they no support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the Igbo leaders in general. The man, na Yoruba man, he don't give example of himself how in with Sunday Igboho they work hand to hand to make sure see they actualize Oduduwa. Even though say Ashawaju Bola Tinubu, the Jagaban of the whole criminals in Africa, still they aspire for presidency. They don't tell and say, look, your presidency na not go area or just exactly the same thing when Nnamdi Kanu don't tell Ohaneze nke ndị oshi. Remember, say again and again and again, the Ohaneze Ndigbo people, they still continue to come out say na presidency they want. Even though say the Aso Rock cabals don't tell them say we no go give una. We no go give una this presidency. Na Ashawaju Bola Tinubu will go give am. All of una don't see what Ashawaju Bola Tinubu they go do in Kano State, where it can fall recently. So, now wow, that's Babylon, where they call the zoo, don't already fall. Because where Igboho and his group, where the Oduduwa people, they don't go unveil their own security network. Not be Amotekun. Remember, say Amotekun na for FG. AK people, they don't shoot Amotekun person. But in Channel television, they're not greeting Nigerian people. Say AK kill one Amotekun person. Not quite long. Okay? Because of enviness. Say, Amotekun, una won't take over us, we go begin to kill Oma. So, the this one now, when the Oduduwa people don't roll come out, not be Amotekun people. And remember, say, this man, what they call Gani Adams, the Eba of Oduduwa land, the Anakakan for one, don't they talk and they come see, then go reveal a new security outfit. Not be today, the man begin that matter. Okay, inside this segment, all of us go learn the name of the security outfit, where they call Paramole. So all of us go learn them right here. Na para Mole, na be the name of the security outfit. I say upon say Asiwaju Bola Tinubu, they aspire right now for presidency. Again, Asiwaju Bola Tinubu don't contain Nigerian people say him na just 69 years old. For him to clinch power, then go they don't already pay Google, pay people, pay a lot of people to change their own history. I mean, their date of birth and everything. You don't see politicians, they are too cunning, ladies and gentlemen. So Asiwaju 69, waiting his son go come be. Asiwaju Bola Tinubu na 69 years old. So the issue of this year 2023 don't fall for their hands. Now only serious resistance when we need to bring these people, when they deceive 200 million Nigerian people since independence, down. APC and PDP, now them be the problem of that country. Because if we say they will continue to rob Nigerian people blind forever and ever. Now, you know, now only the northern people went on one division because of your oil. Now only the northern people that don't want division. Biafran people in general say they want division. They want to leave that fraudulent one Nigeria when don't expire since 2014. Now the Oduduwa people, when the Yoruba people say no, we don't want one Nigeria again, no, because we don't see tire. Nothing when anybody they benefit. Common electricity, nobody gets. They say no, we too, it will take our own country. Come off from this one Nigeria. Now still the only northerners. Every time that they come out, they talk, say, if all of us come together, na him better for Nigeria to unite. But the unity when they preach, nobody they see them. The only thing when we see now pure division, pure hatred from one side to the other side, pure marginalization from the northern oligarchy. Like I said before, I didn't tell all these things. See, man, all the whole positions when they Nigeria, now the north they occupy everywhere. Okay, the same marginalization now he make them cause say no, now only Lagos State people go to import something enter Nigeria. Where in Delta we get big seaport there, that one not a function. Port Harcourt, that one not a function. Many places in Biafran land, they are not a function. Now only Lagos. The whole Nigerian people hands down. The whole Biafran people hands down. So the Yoruba people now, when be the Oduduwa people now, their eye don't tear. Say no, Bola Tinubu, you cannot be. Even Sunday Igboho don't want Bola Tinubu. Tell and say, if you come out, you no go be, we go bring you down. We go bring your campaign down. We are ready. Anything when you like, deploy. We go to deploy ourselves to fight the fights. So this is a 2023. Now not go area for this year 2023 because Biafran people, when the IPOB, that they agitate, serious agitation. The Oduduwa people now, serious agitation. So now, like I said before, now only the northern people because of the oil. Because you know, see when they sell that oil, all of that they go share it. Very few people they do Nigerian people all this nonsense. When they do. So, ladies and gentlemen, make we read a little bit. May we see how the news tell us say Yoruba people don't roll out their own security network, and also we go learn the name of this their security network. My kudos to the Yoruba people because now they are fast forwarding and it is working for them. It is 100% working for them. Even though say some governors tell Sunday Igboho make it not come in their town or in their cities. Sunday Igboho, they travel now, go they, give them awareness about Oduduwa. Now, almost all the whole Yoruba land people, all the whole Yoruba people, that is Oduduwa people, don't already know now, say they won't create their own states, that is, get their own country or their own nation called Oduduwa Nation. Oduduwa groups unveil security force for Oduduwa Republic. A group agitating for Oduduwa Republic on Tuesday unveiled a security outfit dedicated to actualize the Yoruba nation. A Twitter account identified as Oduduwa Republic disclosed the outfit code name Operation Paramole. The post reads, Oduduwa Nation security outfit code name Operation Paramole Awon Aso Olu Daabo Ile Oduduwa security personnel for Yoruba land. God bless our land, Yoruba Nation warriors, Ogun State chapter. This is first batch from Ogun State. That they tell you now, see, this one are the first batch from Ogun State. Now him, this their Oduduwa security operative come out from. Meanwhile, President Muhammadu Buhari has insisted that Nigeria would be better and stronger together. You see, the same President Muhammadu Buhari, now from the north too, and somebody when they tell you say Nigeria will be better together. In the London, according to them, where they deceive Nigerian people, they take treatment. We never see the Prime Minister of London or Queen Elizabeth come Nigeria, can't take any medical treatments. We never see Boris Johnson can't take any medical treatment in Nigeria or anywhere in the world. Maybe travel America, go take medical treatment in America. Now only Nigeria and Africa. Now him all these things they happen. That's why they give Nigeria that name, a shithole country. A country when get all the whole mineral resources when they this world, but now them come poor pass. So if they tell you now, they deceive you, say it better make Nigerian people come together and say if they take it together, they go they more stronger. Now him they divide the nation. No, the same person where they tell you. Now he say Igbo man can never be. Now he say no go ever give any Biafran man any position. The same person. They could not see the way where they deceive themselves. In the London, but or the British Prime Minister never come Africa take any treatment. Now there, if in the sick, like before when they catch up with coronavirus, now there then treat the man. He not come Nigeria, can't take treatment. Why must our president, when I claim say that life, travel to London, go take treatment? And then they tell you say coming together now be the best. Now just because of that your same oil. Now him make them they preach say Nigeria will be better if we did together and stronger if we did together. For how long are we going to be continuing listening to all this kind of nonsense when they come out from these people mouth? If you see, they will continue to deceive Nigerian people. Like I said, Oduduwa people now don't tear eye. Very soon they go say they not. Bye bye. Speaking virtually from Aso Rock on Monday, March 29, as a guest of honor and chairman of the 12th colloquium to celebrate the 69th birthday of All Progressive Congress shifting Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President Muhammadu Buhari said he fought for the unity of Nigeria as a military man during the 1967 to 1970 Civil War. Okay, somebody now when claim say in fight for the unity of Nigeria as a military man during the Civil War in 1967 to 1970. Under his watch, now him terrorists they ravage Nigeria. Under his watch, now him terrorist people They kill like never seen before. In fact, before the same man now when they claim say don't go fight war, take over. Now only Boko Haram Nigerian people know about. But today, Boko Haram get many branches. More than 7 different terrorist organizations they operate in that country under this same person. Wash one of the tell us say na Muhammadu Buhari. So which war they claim say in fight? When we say enough fit direct the soldiers, his own personal soldiers, they not fit do anything. Every time now when they hear say terrorist people, then kill soldiers. Terrorist people, then kill Mopu, then kill army, then kill DSS, then kill this, then kill tens of thousands of people in Nigeria. And the man when they claim say now I fight for the unity of Nigeria, now I fight civil war. He did the So ladies and gentlemen, I say on around here Oduduwa people now they don't unveil their own Oduduwa security outfit. Just exactly like the way when Mazin can roll out the Eastern Network. I mean Eastern Security Network to save lives and property from the people from his own estates. That is the Biafran lands. Ladies and gentlemen, I say if you not get anything on I want to tell us regarding this particular segment, if you not come down to my comment section and tell us. Right. Air your view, no wahala and nothing to you. And before you stand up, please do subscribe to our channel. One love and bye.